Today I am going to discuss how to install a Xampp software on PC. Actually, Xampp is used to make one PC as a local host. To run WordPress on your PC or to test any PHP code, you have to run localhost on your PC. So this tutorial actually helps you how to install the Xampp and make your website run on your local PC by using the localhost service. So let's start. To install the Xampp software on your PC, first of all you have to download the Xampp software from the official website of Xampp. So for that you just have to search the Xampp software on Google. You will get the link of the Xampp download. Click on the download option, and according to your PC configuration you have to download any of the software from these links. To make this tutorial quicker, I have already downloaded the software on my desktop and now going to show you how to install the software on your local PC. This is very easy process. Actually you have to double click on the software. A pop-up window will appear. After that and now click on yes and OK and next and next. This is the directory where you want to install the software. I am choosing C drive. Actually this is the default directory of installation. Click on next, remove this checkbox and next. Now wait for few minutes to install the software on your local PC. I am going to pause the software, and after completing this startup and unpacking I will go further. So installation process already finished. Now we are going to run the software by clicking finish. After that the Xampp software will run, and I have to run the Apache, MySQL and FileZilla to run the local host. By clicking start and start, now the local host is activated. So let's see how to see what happened now. Actually to see the local host is running or not, you have to write here local host and one window will appear like this. Now click on English. So this is the activation process of Xampp on Windows PC. By activating the Xampp on your PC, you are actually ready to go on WordPress installation and working on any PHP code. So I think you can understand how to download the Xampp and install the Xampp on Windows PC and make your PC as a local host to run WordPress. Thank you very much.